Alright, Team Scritch, welcome back to the Scritches Gone Wild channel. It is July 6th, our third day on the Shenandoah River of aqua blazing, and our final day. And I just thought maybe the team could help us out with the last bit of portage we got to do. See, we're going down to the water right there. So I hope everybody's got their muscles on and can help us out, and we'll show you getting in and getting underway. So here we go, get ready to lift. Oh. Not too bad. And here we are, getting ready to go. That's not going to stand there too good. Trying to find a good spot. We'll do it up here. Yep, we'll have to do it by hand. Don't want to stand. Sorry about that, guys, but here we go. We're just going to get our gear in here and get her centered up as best we can. And yep, that's right, I use my flotation for a seat because these seats get hard when your butt gets bony. And I've lost enough weight. I think my butt's getting bony. You taking the front or the back?
I'm taking the front.
Okay.
Change it up now.
All right.
Am I getting in now?
Yeah. Well, let's go a little bit. Let's push it out a little bit further. All right. All right, team, so here we go. We're about to get underway.
Not gonna happen, huh?
And we'll walk this out just a bit before I jump in. And actually, that should be plenty deep enough. Let me jump up. There's a rock right here, if you can see it. You probably can't. And I'm going to jump in right here. Yep, Golden Goddess, she loves to hold on a lot up there. So, and here we go, down the river. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. You know what I got to say about that is underway, shift colors. Because we are back on the water and we are back floating. Little different perspective of the dam for y'all. Looks like we got all sun. I don't know if we're getting some thunderstorms later today or not. But here we go. Another 10 miles, team. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of the team. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the prayers, the love, and support. And we just keep getting excited to show you more videos. So until next time, say your prayers, stay positive, do something good for somebody. And we'll see you then. Scritches out.